Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lil Unique here. So today we're going to do this subtle cut crease look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to know how I got this look, continue to watch. Make sure you like and subscribe and go ahead and turn on your post notifications.
I remember feeling like I wasn't good enough. Had me questioning myself, I wasn't sure enough. Had me look.
So we're going to start off using our Master Primer from Maybelline and our Poreless Primer as well to moisturize our face and, you know, just give us a base to start off with our foundation and everything. So I'm showing y'all all my brushes in this little pouch that I got from Walmart that was so freaking cute. But we're going to get our angled brush and we're going to start off with our brows. Make sure y'all have a spoolie, y'all. Y'all need y'all spoolie to brush out your hairs to make your brows look as natural as possible. I don't know about everybody else, but for me, I do not like extra brows. I want them to look as, my brows are already thick. I need them to look as natural as possible and not all over the place. So then we're going to go ahead and conceal our brows with a flat brush. Make sure you get as close to your brow as possible and blend that out. So now I'm getting this flat fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out my concealer as much as possible. And I'm going to blend in between my brows as well to kind of give me a little, I like the little, I guess you could call it an ombre effect a little bit, but I don't want it to be too harsh. So I don't want to make that too harsh. So then I'm going to put the concealer over my lid so I can prime my face for my eyeshadow. So I didn't get to show you guys this part, but I started off with an orange in my NYX palette and I went in after that with a pink color, and now I'm going to go into my Maybelline Soda Pop collection and I'm going to use Cherry on top and blend it in my crease with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going back into that NYX palette and using the dark purple to go on top of the cherry on top and make it a little, intensify that purple a little more. Now I'm going in with my Hard Candy palette and I can't remember what this color is called. I think it's either Heartbeat or Heartbreaker. And I'm going to use that to go a little bit above my crease to kind of make that purple and that dark red blend into each other. Now on this part, I'm just using a smaller blending brush to do some detail work in my crease. I want to intensify that purple some more, and so that part doesn't disappear on me. Back to my Soda Pop palette by Maybelline, I'm going to go into Cola Float and I'm just going to blend that on the outer corners of the cut crease. Now to actually cut the crease, so for my small eye girls like me, I don't really have a big lid. So what I like to do is definitely raise my eyebrows to look up so that I won't mess up. I can get my cut crease as flat and straight as possible. And I go into my crease, but I go a little bit, not too far over it, but just a little bit over my crease just to give me a little bit more space. Going back into the Soda Pop palette, I'm going to grab Soda Fizz and put that on my lid. Then on top of that, I'm going in with Tonic to add over it. Then after that, I'm going to go into my Hard Candy palette, and I'm going to use the Diamond eyeshadow. First two eyeshadows is more of a metallic. This one is actually more of a glitter, so that's definitely going to make that metallic pop out a little bit more. Now I'm about to use a pencil white eyeliner and just cut my crease some more to make it more depth. Now I'm going in with my foundation. Now y'all, my foundation doesn't normally come in this bottle. I actually mixed two foundations together and got my color. So this is not even the right. I use Fit Me, so that's actually Fit Me in that bottle. So yes. So now I'm taking my LA Girl Fawn concealer. I'm in the color Fawn, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal my face. I actually didn't get to record me blending this part out because my camera died, but I go in with a flat concealer brush and blend it out and then use a beauty blender.
I'm so perplexed with just one breath. We'll go slow and high tempo.
Now I'm going in with my contour palette, which I love, is by Black Radiance, and it's called True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark. This is the actual powder, and I'm taking that contour and go ahead and contour my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and sculpt my nose and then go back and contour my nose.
Got me for life tonight. I know. It was a perfect illusion.
Now I'm taking my Naturally Neutral Airspun setting powder. You can find this at Walmart for $5. And I'm going to just go ahead and bake my face. And this is my first time using it, actually. So we're going to see how it come out, Jesus. It's so hard to find a good setting powder, especially for dry skin girls. Like, that's not going to give me a flashback or make my face feel dry. It's like so hard. So trust me, I'm with y'all. I understand the struggle.
Treat you better. I used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, when I put this much on, I already thought this stuff was gonna come off my face. Or I thought it was gonna just like have such a white cast that it was gonna stay up there. But I'm really shocked. Like, it really did its work. I did not feel any cakiness. I didn't feel dry. It actually came out pretty good. So I think this is definitely gonna be something that I'm using. I really thought everybody was just up for the hype, but no, it's really good. So next I'll be using my Master Holographic highlighter by Maybelline, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray and go ahead and put that on there. Then on top of that holographic, I'm gonna go in with the Master Chrome, and it's the metallic highlighter, which is Molten Peach, and I'm gonna use this above my brow bone as well as for my highlighter and on my nose and all the perfect areas that you will want to put your highlight, so your highlight can be popping, sis. Okay. So now I'm about to go ahead and get my highlighter brush. I love this brush. I'm looking to get the smaller version so I can get it to fit in that area so I can make sure my highlight is popping. But I love this brush. So we're going to do the peach chrome highlighter and then the holographic on top of that, actually, for the highlight part. Now I'm just lining my lips with a brown. I'm just going to go over my lips with this brown, and then I'm going to go in with my matte lipstick, which is nude. I'm going to use this on my lips, and then I'm going to go over it with this glossy rainbow. It's a holographic lip gloss, and I'm just going to use that on top of that nude color. And that is going to be it, and this is going to complete this look. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can get alerted when I post another video. All of the products that I listed will be in the description box, and don't forget you can find them at Walmart. They're very affordable. And if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment box below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You're too sexy for me. Focus on me. You're too sexy to me. Focus on me. So sexy. Focus on me. Wag, 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 wag. Wag, 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 wag. My use is yours. Tripping on skies to water.
With that dessert.
Because I'm free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future.
Ain't a bit, all my ladies round the world. Ain't a bit, all girls better get cool. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone.
Some people try, but they can't find the magic. Others get down.